I chose tomato basil soup with the Wally Food Storage 72-hour swallow kit, and it gives you directions on the back. All right, guys, we got cooking done. Doesn't need any salt or pepper or nothing. This thing is good. It tastes like a mama kitchen. Wally Food Storage did a pretty good job.